Hey guys, it's Bozzy. You're watching Tech Turtles, and this is Vlogmas Day 1. Alright guys, what is up? It is finally the holidays, and it is now Vlogmas Day 1. Or should I say, Vlog Unboxing. Because I have an unboxing for you guys today. This time, we are going to unbox something special, something I've been waiting months for since I ordered it back in July. And it got delayed a couple times, or delayed at least once, and finally it's here, and I'm super excited. As you guys know, I'm a huge Pokemon fan, and I'm a huge keyboard fan. I love to build keyboards. I love to mess around with them. I like to keep tabs on the community and see what's happening next, and join group buys and stuff. And this was a group I joined back in July for a company called S-Craft. They are without a doubt one of the bigger companies producing keycaps right now, at least artisans, because they have the Pokemon license, and they just actually obtained it, and it's actually super cool that they got this. It means Pokemon's actually, playing ball with them. So we have, without further ado, the unboxing coming to you. Let's go ahead and get into it because it's really cool. All right, we don't know what these are. About to learn you something. These are highly sought after keycaps from the company S-Craft. I believe they're based in Vietnam, but they're actually pretty popular and extremely hard to get. These released in July. I believe this is like the third wave of them, third or fourth wave, I believe, and they're gonna release new versions of these later this month, maybe in December. I'm not sure. I know they had problems producing these because of the state of the world. But let's go ahead and get into the boxing because this is actually pretty special. If you don't know, these are artisan keycaps, made by hand most of the time, and extremely hard to get as they go into group buys and or pre-orders. So let's go ahead, and as you guys can see, they have a Pokeball on them, which means these can only be the Pokemon keycaps that everybody has heard so much about and everybody wants. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you guys can see, we have Bulbasaur, Charmander, Squirtle, Gengar, and Pikachu. Let's get a closer look here at Bulbasaur. As you can see, very nicely done. And they're sitting on a Game Boy, which is extra cool. They all have some kind of background effect, so it looks like they're doing a move. It looks like Squirtle is on a surfboard and a yellow Game Boy. Very cool. These retail for about $50 each, and they only go for group buy. If you don't know what a group buy is, I will have videos explaining that later on. But if you want to get into the keyboard market or keyboard game, you should know who S-Craft is, because now they have the license for Pokemon, and they will be making officially licensed versions of these, which I believe these are, that are approved by the Pokemon company. And it's very cool to see a keyboard manufacturer get one. And these took about 5 months to ship out from, I believe, Vietnam. They had to make them by hand. Obviously, they have artists there to help them and ship them out to us. So it's very awesome. They're very cool. Get them if you can. I believe there's going to be another drop in either December or January, depending on when they can get the stuff going. But I'm going to go ahead and do some close-ups now so you guys can see these in all their glory. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you for Vlogmas Day 2. Now let's go ahead and roll that outro.